हेलो। आज हम क्लास 12 का केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं। चैप्टर 3 सोल्यूशन। सबसे पहले क्या क्या हम लोग को पढ़ना है इसमें देख लेते हैं। सबसे पहले सोल्यूशन क्या होता है, जैसे आप क्लास 9 में जानते हैं कि सोल्यूशन के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पढ़े हैं, वहाँ पर चले यहाँ पर डिस्कशन करेंगे व्हाट इज सोल्यूशन। फिर इसके बाद से कंसंट्रेशन टर्म क्या होता है, कंसंट्रेशन टर्म क्लास 11 में भी थोड़ा बहुत जानते हैं आप। फिर इसके बाद हम लोग पढ़ेंगे वेपर प्रेशर, ideal and non-ideal solution. Next, solubility of gases, Henry's law, and colligative properties. And there are four colligative properties: relative lowering in vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, osmotic pressure, and quantum factors. सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे what is the solution. A homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances is called solution, and we also know that the identity of solution is different from its constituent. For you can take example sugar solution. Sugar solution means sugar dissolved in water. The identity of sugar solution is different from sugar and water. And generally a solution has many components, but here we are going to discuss only a solution has only two components, solute and solvent. And a solution has only two components, it's called binary solution. Binary solution has two components, solute and solvent. That is, solute is smaller amount, solvent is larger amount.
स्टार्ट।
कंसंट्रेशन। कंसंट्रेशन कैसे हम सॉल्यूशन का कंसंट्रेशन निकालते हैं, दैट इज कंसंट्रेशन मीन अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट प्रेजेंट इन सॉल्यूशन। जो सॉल्यूशन में सॉल्यूट का अमाउंट होता है वही कंसंट्रेशन होता है, और उसको निकालने के डिफरेंट वे होते हैं। उसको हम कितने तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं। नंबर 1 मास परसेंटेज होता है, जिसको हम वेट बाय वेट परसेंटेज कहते हैं, वेट बाय वेट परसेंटेज भी कर सकते हैं। नंबर 2 होता है वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज, जिसको हम वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज भी बोलते हैं। एंड थर्ड इज मास बाय वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज, दैट इज वेट बाय वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज। एंड ppm, मोल फ्रैक्शन, मोलैरिटी एंड मोलैरिटी। तो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन मास परसेंटेज। Mass percent means weight by weight percentage. Weight by weight percent means mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. In simple language, what is the mass percentage? 5% NaCl. Weight by weight percent means 5 gram NaCl. 5 gram NaCl present in 90 gram of water. 90 gram of water. And second is volume percentage. Volume percentage we say V by V percent. V by V percent is equal to volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. 10% ethanol solution, V by V percent means 10 ml ethanol, 10 ml ethanol, 10 ml ethanol present in 90 ml of water, 90 ml of water. And third is mass by volume percentage, that is, or we can say that weight by volume percentage. Weight by volume percentage is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. And in simple language, mass by volume percentage 10% NaCl solution, mass weight by volume percentage. Weight by volume percent means 10 gram NaCl 10 gram NaCl present in 100 ml of water. Sorry, 100 ml of solution. 100 ml of solution.
Start.
Okay. Fourth type of concentration is ppm, parts per million. ppm is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 10 power 6. That is 5.8 ppm O2. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि या फिर जैसे हम कहें कि सी लेवल में, मतलब सी का जो वाटर होता है, समुद्र का जो वाटर होता है, उसमें 5.8 ppm ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट होता है। तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ है कि 5.8 ppm ऑक्सीजन जो है वाटर में जो है सी के वाटर में प्रेजेंट है। तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 5.8 ग्राम O2 present in 10 power 6 gram of water. And next term is mole fraction. Mole fraction is denoted by zeta, and we know that in binary solution there are two components, A and B. So if you find the mole fraction of component A and component B, mole fraction of component A is equal to number of moles of A upon number of moles of A plus number of moles of B, and mole fraction of B is equal to number of moles of B upon number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. The sum of mole fraction of all the components in solution is equal to 1. Here only two components, so the mole fraction of component A plus component B is equal to 1. Next term is molarity. Next term is molarity. What is molarity? The number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. And in simple language, if you say that 2.5 molar NaCl, it means 2.5 moles NaCl present in 1 liter of solution. And 1.5 molar and 1.5 molar HCl means 1.5 moles HCl present in 1 liter of solution. 1 liter of a question based on the molarity. 40 gram NaOH present in 250 ml of solution. What is the molarity of the solution? So first we write the formula of molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Here solute is NaOH. Number of moles of solute is equal to mass upon molar mass. Mass is given 40 gram and molar mass of NaOH is also 40. 40 upon 40 is equal to 1. And we also change volume of solution in liter. Here volume of solution is given 250 ml. So we change 250 ml in liter. 250 ml that is volume is equal to 250 upon 1000 is equal to 1 upon 4 liter. So molarity is equal to 1 upon 1 upon 4 is equal to 4 moles per liter or 4 molar. That is units of molarity, moles per liter लिखिए या इसको कहते हैं मोलर. तो 4 moles per liter or 4 molar. And next topic is molarity. Molarity is denoted by small m. The number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. मोलैरिटी क्या होती है कि द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kilogram. Units of molarity mole per kilogram are molar. It is denoted by small m. A question based on the molarity. Calculate the molarity of 2.5 gram ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene. तो हम इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? इसको आप सॉल्व करिएगा। सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Here number of moles of solute. First we calculate the number of moles of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid here is solute. So first we find the molar mass of ethanoic acid, and mass of ethanoic acid is given 2.5 gram. So we calculate the number of moles of solute, and 75 gram of benzene is solvent. The amount of solvent is converted in kilogram. So all the value substitute in the formula of molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kilogram. Then we find the result of molarity. Thank you.